Hello from my kitchen. Today, the second vinegar video. The first one I have done was about how to make a citrus vinegar for cleaning. This is this one here. And in the meantime, or basically a couple of days later, I made this vinegar. This is the passion fruit vinegar and sultanas vinegar. And they are all ready to go now, to be bottled. So I will be doing this today and also talking about vinegars. We will also check the pH of the vinegars to see how much percentage they are. So let's get started. Okay, the acetic acid in vinegar it's the primary active compound, giving it its strong specific sour, the vinegar sour smell and the flavor. Researchers believe that this acid is responsible for vinegar's health benefits. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, used vinegar to clean wounds already 2000 years ago. Natural vinegar can help kill harmful bacteria, regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It may improve heart health, aid weight loss, and skin and nail health. People have traditionally used vinegar for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, lice, warts, and ear infections. However, as I always say, do your own research before you use or start using any new foods. And also don't overdo with anything. And if you start with something new, start very slowly. So the best way to incorporate vinegar is in food, in cooking, in soups, in salads, sauces, stir fries, added to water, mixed with honey and lime juice or lemon juice, for example, makes a really nice drink. So vinegar is also fantastic preservative and very good for cleaning, like the citrus vinegar. So we had abundance of not only limes this season, that's why I made the vinegar, but also passion fruits, tons of passion fruits. I made jams and we have eaten lots of passion fruits too. And I also made a vinegar, because the passion fruit vinegar is, the smell, beautiful. And I also got sultanas gifted, organic sultanas. So I made this fantastic sultana vinegar, which got delicious flavor. Okay, so let's start with checking the pH of these vinegars. Oh, and for the corking here, I had them sitting on top of this, of the cloth, because when you put a cork on something near sour fruit or so, the fruit fly will not try to get in, will go away. I don't know why, but it works. They don't like the smell of the corking. So yeah, always keep your corking. Let's open the vinegars. This is a nice, lovely cotton. It has to be natural fabric, cotton or linen. So I've got these ones, they work very well, but you can also use any, like a cheesecloth or something. The vinegar, when it's made, it needs to breathe. So that is why I had this cloth on and a rubber, so nothing gets into it. When I started the vinegar, I was stirring it every day. When it stopped bubbling, I was stirring it nearly every day. So if I forgot one day, it doesn't matter, but I was stirring it like every day or every second day. And ripening for altogether about 4 to 5 weeks. And that's how they look now, the vinegars. Especially, you can see, especially on the passion fruit vinegar, there is like a white film on top, and that's perfectly fine. That's the yeast, that's the natural yeast. And some of them got a little bit more or less of it, but the passion fruit, it's the champion. And so today, first, before I start to move them into bottles, we will check the acidity, because we want to know the acidity of the vinegar, of the vinegars we have made. So let's start with the sultanas vinegar. So okay, let's have a look. So this vinegar, the sultanas vinegar, is at 3 pH. I hope you can see it. You can say exactly it's 3 pH, which means that it is about 7 to 8%, which is really good. Now let's have a look at the citrus vinegar. This baby is at 2 pH. So it definitely got 8%. 8% is perfect for cleaning. Between 7 and 8% is perfect for preserving food, for cleaning, for anything. So perfect. I am super happy with the result. And let's have a look at the third one, the passion fruit vinegar. This one is a bit higher in pH. It's 4. So 4 would be about 5 to 6, which is still really good. Perfecto. The next thing I want to do, I want to try the vinegars and see how the flavor is. You can also try the vinegar like in between, when it stops bubbling, or to see how it tastes, and and to taste the acidity. So basically, I don't check the pH every time. I have done it now for you, so you see the difference. But I know 4 to 5 weeks, I know it's the acidity I like. Okay, let's have a look. So that's the sultanas vinegar. It's really nice. This is something really special. It's good, like also as a little gift. Sultanas vinegar is really something very fine. Really happy with the with the taste. Okay, now let's see how the lime vinegar is. Very nice. I would probably leave some as an addition to water as well, because it's got really nice flavor, lime flavor, and the taste is really good. So nearly, nearly it's a shame to use it for cleaning. I haven't done lime vinegar for ages, like really quite a few years already. And yeah, usually I'm using just the skin, but this time I was using the entire fruit because we had so many limes, so the entire fruit, it makes really difference. Very yummy. And now the passion fruit vinegar, as you may have noticed, I'm using always a fresh spoon. The used spoons are over there because we're not supposed to try something and put the same spoon back in. That's the ABC of cooking. What my mom taught me. So let's have a look. That smells so good. Wow, like really sweetish. Even though you can taste the sourness, it's a nice and sweet flavor of passion fruit is still there. So really yummy. Good. Let's bottle them. Okay. I am not using very fine mesh because it's perfectly fine when I have some of the thicker stuff in it, some of the mother in it. The mother still didn't form really, but it most likely will when I leave some of the sediment in the bottle as well. And because there is still some of the vinegar, so you can see this is like a really not very fine mesh, and that is exactly what I want. I just want to remove the raisins but not the sediment. I want to have it in my vinegar because there's lots of enzymes in it and lots of goodness. So I will let it sit and then move the stuff back into the bottle there. And the raisins, by the way, you can try them as well if you like. Nice and sour. But chickens love it. Chickens love the remainings, the fermented fruit. So give it to the chickens. You are doing something really good for them. It's a good treatment, very good for their health. So our chickens will get it. I've got this nice wine bottle for my second vinegar, the passion fruit. This vinegar is thicker. It's got lots of these little chunks here, so it takes a little bit longer. We have to be patient. So usually the 1 liter bottles for my 2 liter jars are best, but I didn't have any spares, so second bottle here. Now my raisins or sultanas are done, so I move them into the bowl because this goes to the chickens, and we'll fill up the bottle. So this one is done. Super important, level your bottles, because now you think you know, but it's easy to forget what it was in there sometimes. So yeah, okay, this one is done. Now I will do exactly the same what I've done with the raisins. Let's get into the lime vinegar. Usually I would, for the cleaning vinegars, I will put them through the coffee filter, because when I use it in a spray bottle, so I don't want to get any little bits in the, you know, in the tube, otherwise it it won't work. So that is why usually I put it into the through the coffee filter. But today, because the taste and the flavor is so nice, so I'm really not sure if I will use it as a cleaning vinegar or maybe add it to drinks, because it's so delicious. So I will make the same what I've done with the other vinegars, just put it through the sieve. If I decide to use it for cleaning, I will put it through a coffee filter. Dealing with multiple vinegars. Okay, this one is done. I doubt the chickens will eat this, but I will still give it to them. They know better. They still might. Okay. It fits nicely in here too. Labeling. So my wonderful, delicious vinegars are done, ready to use. They can sit in the cupboard for ages, but they won't for so long because I will use them regularly. I will also put some of them into smaller bottles and give away. And because I still have some limes, they are falling off the tree and there are not many left, I will still do some lime vinegar. So I will go to the food forest and do this straight away after the video. I will also do sultanas vinegar, and because I haven't done a video about it yet, so I will do sultana vinegar video. This will be one of my next videos. Super quick and easy, so quick video as well, and short video. And yeah, and we'll enjoy the vinegars. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you liked the video. Leave a comment below. Let me know where you are watching from. I hope you got inspired. Check what you've got in your garden in abundance. Oh, you can also make vinegars from herbs too. Happy gardening, happy cooking, happy preserving, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. And I go to the chickens now. Some presents for the chickens.